vending machine.
Yeah, but are they good?
No.
Did you even consider that when you bought them?
Well, I saw some healthy stuff and it was right next to it, and I went, nah, I want these.
That's the problem though, isn't it? Yogurt bananas!
Yeah, but look, 95p for them, 50p for Yorkie.
You know which one you're gonna buy.
Do you think the vending machines in college have a wide range of nutrition?
I like to eat healthily if I can from the vending machines and stuff like that, but it's usually too expensive, so I sometimes just go to McDonald's and get a Big Mac.
Yeah, I love vending machines. They've got crisp, healthy goods. They've got more than one. I love vending machines. Vending machines are great. Yeah, vending machines.
If more healthy options are available in your vending machine, would you consider them over your normal options, such as crisps or chocolate?
Yeah, I believe that the vending machines, they don't supply a great variety of healthy food, and even the ones that they do supply are far too expensive for any sane person to buy, even if they were the healthiest person in the world.
I'd rather get snacky things from the vending machine, like chocolate and so on and so forth, like crisps and things. And if I wanted a healthy option, I'd go to the refectory or cafeteria place to buy something.
He likes vending machines.
Double